Welcome to the Techzoid Academia. Here in this video we will learn how to make a bootable USB. We have two methods actually. One, we can make a bootable USB by using Windows ISO file. Another way we can make our bootable USB by using CD burn method, which we will conclude in our next part of video. In this video we will just make a bootable USB by using ISO file. Without wasting time, we should proceed to our video. For making a bootable USB by using ISO file, we need just two things. One, we should have Windows ISO file, which may be Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10 whatsoever. And other thing that we should have bootable USB making software, which is known as ISO file, Power ISO. I will give a link in the description, which you can. I can give you a link by which you can download the Power ISO software. When I search Power ISO, the Google will give me this sort of things. First, that is the thing. Power ISO, which says create, burn, mount, edit, compress, encrypt. You can see that loads of things that the Power ISO are giving. We can create, burn, mount, etc. whatever we want. We want to make here. We just want a bootable USB. So when we click on this link, we will get this. Here you can download this. I have did earlier that I will not download it again. So I'm just opening my Power ISO file. Here's the Power ISO. When it opens, you have to wait for a second because it is a paid version. We have to pay for it. After waiting for a second, it will let us enter by continue and register. You can register by giving some license key by buying it. Now after clicking that, we have this kind of window. Here you can make your bootable USB by just making sure that you have to go to tools up in the bar. Here you can see that we have a lot of options. We can burn our CD, which we will include in our next part of video. You can make extract whatever you want. Here you can make drive image file. You can create bootable USB. This is our concern. We will create a bootable USB without earlier that we have to make sure that we have Windows ISO file, which we can get it from our Microsoft website. Here you can download your ISO file. I have my ISO file right on my disk, so I will not download this file. So if you have not, you can download it from your website, Microsoft. Here we will follow the basic things. We have to create bootable USB, and the last thing that we need the USB, which should be formatted. We have no files in it, so it will create a bootable. So I have USB plugin into my into my PC. In order to use, you need to run Power ISO and as administrator. Tell them yes. Yeah. It will again show up a register pop-up where we have to wait. It will say continue and register. Yeah. Here you have to put the ISO file, the image file. Here's our ISO file. I will select that and tell the computer, the software, that is our Windows 10 Pro x 64 bits, and language is English, US, activate it. Okay, it has been selected, and now we have to select our USB, the place where we have to make our bootable. Here is our USB. Yes, right method HDD. You can make also zip file, you can FDDB or raw write make you can. And file system you have to make it automatic, because here you have to be it feasible. So just we have to start this bootable system. It will override everything in the USB. We have to tell them yes. After a couple of minutes, it will make our bootable USB. You can see it. It has given us 99.959 or it comes down to 45. We have to just wait for it, and within few clicks it will make our bootable USB. How easy it is. We can just download few files, and we can make our bootable USB. We can do Windows to other PCs on the go with our pen drive, with our bootable drive. Hi guys, here we are on right of the top. Few seconds more for success of our work. Countdown 3, 2, 1, and here we go. It's taking the time, synchronizing. Yes, here we go. We are right on the top. Writing USB drive completed successfully. Press the OK button, close the software key, and just to make it sure, go to your PC. Here you can see that we have completed making a bootable USB. You can plug into any kind of PC or laptop or etc. which supports Windows 64 bits. Activate it. You can make it window. You can do window for it. That's it. That's all from us for making, for cheering us. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. We will meet in next video, next part of our video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.